Hi my YouTube friends, and welcome back to my channel. I am Dee and you're viewing The How To Lady, a channel that focuses on organization, DIYs, and life hacks. And today we got a special one. We're going to provide information on how to organize your eyewear. Yes, your eyewear. It can be sunglasses, or it could just be your prescription glasses. Now, I don't wear glasses, but I love fashion eyewear. It's so cool. But with that said, if you see something that you like, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. We're also going to show you a little hack that we're going to use. So, yeah. About to do it. With that said, let's get this ball rolling and we're gonna knock it out of the park. So, as stated, I will be showing you how to put together a organizer for your fashion eyewear as well as your sunglasses. Now we'll start out with the first item that you'll need, and it will be a box top from a shoe box. Any box top will do as long as it have the edges here, and the edges around it is what's going to help you hold your bands in place that will keep your sunglasses mounted. I have a piece of gold material here which you can use inside of the box to kind of decorate the inside of the box, and then you'll use some fabric glue to adhere it and then cut out the excess. Or you can go the other route, which is the paint, the spray paint. So I have the spray paint here, got it from Walmart for $1.97, no, actually $3.97. And then you will need some hair bands. Now you can either use the smaller hair bands or you can use the thicker hair bands. And I found that the thicker hair bands tend to hold up the larger eyewear a little better than the thinner hair bands. And so what I'll do is I'll put these items together, and when I put them together I will show you the final product. So get ready to see some awesome fashion eyewear holder. And I'm only going to do one, but you get the gist of what I'm trying to show you. If you have any questions after we're done, then you can post those questions below. Alright, I'll see you when we're done with this process. So my friends, this is the finished product and it is hanging now. It will hang in my closet. As you can see, I have the gold material and the faux rhinestone ribbon lining the actual DIY fashion eyewear holder. I'm going to give you a little side view of it so you can see where the bands are, and each band is there to hold up the sunglasses, the fashion glasses. And so as I put my glasses back, they go in very easily. You sit them there and they're hanging nicely, and this will fit in any closet. I think it is absolutely amazing. I like it. It works. And there it is. And you paid very few pennies, if any, to make this fashion eyewear holder. Isn't that nice? If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please post them below.